Fi'n agosau at ganlyniad ym Mhencampwriaeth Gwartheg Fitzhugh, Pencampwriaeth y Pare. 13 o fridiau biff yn y cylch ar hyn o bryd, a miloedd o bobl yn gwylio y beirniad. Grant Anderson o farchnad Bordeaux yn cael ail. Mae'n arwerthwr o ddydd i ddydd. Fe sydd wedi cael y fraint o feirniadur Fitzhugh eleni.
Gwael.
13 o fridiau, mi fydd y beirniad Grant Anderson yn galw 8 bryd ymlaen. Ac o fyny yn galw 4 ymlaen, dwi'n deall, a wedyn yn dewis y par buddigol. Felly mae'r Charlets ymlaen, o'n i'n disgwyl i nhw ddod ymlaen. Mae'r Blonds ymlaen a'r Limosans ymlaen. A mae'r Angus's ymlaen a'r Hirgorn ymlaen a'r Glas Prydeinig a'r Burgorn. Dyna a'r Ucheldir, felly dyna'r 8 sydd wedi galw ymlaen. Gwartheg yr Ucheldir yn Penpella a'r Burgorn drws nesau nhw. Mae'r Hirgorn wedyn yn y canol. Gwartheg teulu Carreg Castell Cynen. I Castell Carreg Cynen hyd yn oed. Yr Angus yn y canol. Y Glas Prydeinig drws nesau'r Limosans. Y Blonds wrth i hymyl nhw wedyn. Ac yna'r Gwartheg Charlet. Wel, mae pethau'n poethi yma nawr dyma.
Odi, a nhw'n... o'n i'n edrych ar y gwartheg yna yn mynd o amgylch. Gwartheg mor dda. A mae'n dod lawr i gysylltiaeth fel hyn. Mae'n dod lawr i feiau bach. Chwaith beirniad a beth mae'n edrych ar.
Y lims gath y gil-wobr llynedd. Tybed siwt fydd i Lenny. Allwch chi wneud un yn well a fi na. Eitha lims a hi Lenny. Maen nhw'n... Twa be, maen nhw'n mynd i fod yno. Sym dwywaith amdani. A bywch wrth gwrs hi yn illo ddoi. Maen nhw'n mynd i fod yno, Lenny Tony nhw.
Dwi'n meddwl maen nhw yn par really cry. Ti'n meddwl, mae'n glamp o fewch. Maen nhw wedi fynd y taro i fynd efo'i. So dwi'n meddwl maen nhw hefo siawns dda i wneud ei.
Mae'r Charlets mlaen. Mae'r rhain di dal yn sylwni ar dechrau'n deg. Felly dwi'n syndod gweld nhw'n dod ymlaen. Na'r lims chwaith. A'r Glas Prydeinig. A'r Burgorn. Am sioe i'r Burgorn. Reit de. Wy'n mynd i ofyn i chi nawr, Dyfan? Pwy chi'n meddwl sy'n mynd i fynd â hi?
Pwy sy'n mynd i fynd â hi? Dwi'n mynd i ddod i'm hen ar y bloc. Fi'n gwybod bod fi'n mynd am bryd yn unan y Limosans. Mae hi'n magu llo real gryf. Mae'r llo o ansawdd da. Mae'r fywch ar tarw y macho. Mae'r Charlets yn agos at iddi. So, rhint y ddau na. Ond dwi'n mynd i pwyr balans at y lims.
Dwi'n cytuno. Dyna pwy dwi'n meddwl efo. Bydd o'r rhwng yn nhw.
Thank you very much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome here to the Welsh Show this afternoon. A great day, the rain stayed away, that's all we can ask for today. I'd just first like to say thank you to the Royal Welsh Agricultural Society for asking me to judge this class today. It's an absolute honour to be here, and you've brought out some excellent quality cattle in front of me. Right from the back there to the forward, you couldn't fault any of them. It's a really, really tough class to judge today. It was way harder than I thought it was going to be. I was hoping for an outstanding, easy run through here, but it probably didn't happen. What a tremendous array of cattle we've got in front of us today. When I was judging, I've tried to pick as good a pair as I could find. Not necessarily on the same size. I just looked for a good similar qualities to each other. When you have a breed champion, it's hard to pick a mate for it, a pair for it. It's not an easy task. You've done well in bringing what you have done this morning. But I've picked out what I have today in my champions, just for the way they've handled today. They've been tremendous. Their locomotion, everything throughout them was just exactly what I would look for in an animal. And splitting hairs between my champions and my reserves. I don't want to give too much away, so I'm not going to say too much more, but thank you once again for having me here.
There we are. Can I thank you on behalf of the Society? It's been privilege in having you. And I'm sure, as I mentioned earlier, it's a privilege for you to judge such wonderful pairs of animals. So we all look
Grant
forward now
Anderson.
to see
Wedi cyfarch y dorf yn sôn am y fraint ar yn rhydedd o gael beirniadu yma yn y sioe fawr eleni. A nawr i ni'n aros ac yn disgwyl i weld pwy sy'n mynd i gipio Penc Parau Biff Fitzhugh. Mae rhwng y Charolais, y Limousin's, y glas Prydeinig a'r Burgorn. Un edrychiad ola. Un wac fach arall tu ôl. Mae e'n barod i fynd at y pencampwyr. Mae'n cael cibolwg ar y Burgorn. Yn crwydro at y glas. Yn sefyll, pwyllo. Pwyso a mesur. Le mae'n mynd? Mae'n mynd at y Limousin's! A'r Charolais Gilwobr! O'n i'n ame! O'n i'n ame! Wel, am sioe i chi fel cymdeithas dyma.
Odi, mae ddyn sioe arbennig. Odi, sioe arbennig i ni.
O'n nhw'n sefyll allan, y Charolais a'r Lims a fi'n adon pan gamon nhw i'r cilchan a'r Limousin's, just y pwer yna yn neud y gwanieth dwi'n meddwl.
Na, hollol heiddi fo, ond nhw yn sefyll allan pryd nhw'n cerdded fewn. Dau grŵp, champions a reserve, hollol heiddiadwy o'n ohonyn nhw, a llongyfrchiadau iddyn nhw.
Dyfan a Hyfina, diolch o galon i chi, wedi mwynhau'n fawr yn eich cwmni chi.
Diolch.
Diolch yn fawr i chi.
A llongyfarchiadau mowr iawn i'r Limousin's. Well, Craig, llongyfarchiadau, Craig, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
What a cracking bull.
Yeah, no, I'm delighted. He's just exactly what we're looking for as a terminal sire in our breed, so yeah. Great.
No mean feat trying to get a bull as well that can match such a powerful cow, but you managed.
Yeah, no, and they've done well all season as a pair. This is their third time winning together, so they've done all the shows. So yeah, great.
It's wonderful. And Lindsay, we have to stop meeting like this.
I know.
Many congratulations once again today. Can Ruth turn this double into a hat-trick now when it comes to the team of 5 later on today?
We'll try our best.
She is absolutely special. What a wonderful pair you have here, and good luck in the team of 5.
Thank you.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Diolch.